Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm gonna show you how to use or save TikTok effect from other people's video. Alright guys, first of all, let's just open up our TikTok application on our phone. And here I'm going to search for an effect. We can click on the search button and I'm going to search age folder or age effect. Okay, and here are some results and I'm going to select one of them. Alright, and if we want to use this age folder or age effect, we can click on this effect icon right here, guys. Click on it, and if we want to use this effect, we just need to click on use this effect right here. But if we want to save this effect, we can click on add to favorites. Okay, and this effect has been saved to my favorites on my TikTok profile, and I'm going to check it on my TikTok profile. Click on the profile and we can click on this saved icon and click on effect. Okay, and we can use this age effect anytime we want to use it. Alright guys, and that's how we can use or save TikTok effect from other people's video. I hope this tutorial will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching and see you on the next video.